Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start with a quick, targeted inspection. Confirm model and warranty so you know repair limits, then power cycle the console. Hold the power for 10 seconds, unplug for 60, because that clears temporary firmware hangs. Next, examine the disk surface under good light. Clean gently from center outward with a lint-free cloth to remove oils and debris. Once done, try a different known good disk to separate disk problems from the drive. This tells you whether to proceed to hardware-level fixes. You now open the console carefully. Remove outer screws and clips while keeping parts organized, because lost screws wreck reassembly. Use compressed air to blow dust from vents, then swab the laser assembly with 90% isopropyl on a soft applicator to clean lenses. Avoid rubbing hard. Inspect gears and belts, brush away debris, and check that the drive motor spins freely. Once cleaned, reseat ribbon cables and connectors firmly. A loose cable is a common cause of reed failures. You finish by reassembling in reverse order. Tighten screws evenly and never over-tighten plastic fasteners, because stripped threads will cause future issues. Power up and test with several different disks, and run built-in diagnostics or a firmware update if the console offers one. This confirms whether the reader now recognizes media. If the problem persists, swap the optical drive with a compatible donor unit or seek professional repair. One key troubleshooting tip. If the drive clicks but won't spin, the motor or laser is likely failing. Replace the drive.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.